In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble and use the Calibore, as well as some of the pretty cool features that it has. Some cool features with the Calibore is, number one, it's really light. You can see I'm holding it with one hand, and I'm about to throw a bushing into the back. So you can see in the back of this, there's a couple of clips here. That's what holds in the bushing. And it's as easy as just popping it in. And then now I'll just put this up on the steel, which you tighten it down with the knob on the right hand side. Another really neat feature with this is that it's got an integrated reaction bar. So you just turn this knob until it's loose enough to be able to pop this out, and then you tighten it back down and it's good to go. There is an adapter for that, just in case you have a tool where an arm won't be able to reach the reaction bar here. You just put this adapter on and it pushes up the reaction point a little bit closer to where that arm is going to hit. And now for the plate, same thing as on the back. You got these two clips, and it's easy. Just putting that on there. You just match up these two little arrows with those clips, snap it in place, and now that's not going anywhere. So with the gauge, this is a really easy gauge to read. You actually have kips in imperial and then the kilonewtons in the metric side of things. So each of the notches on the imperial side is one line equals one kip, and then on the other side you've got each line represents 5 kilonewtons. With Calibore, if you're working with longer bolts that you need to have the hex head bolt stick out a little bit further out of the back, we've got these spacer bushing adapters or bushing adapters, and those simply fit into the back of the bushing, and what it does is it pushes the head of that hex bolt out enough to be able to utilize the reaction bar. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.